How to fix Robinhood transfer failed. In order to fix if the transfer has failed on Robinhood, what you have to do is make sure to launch the Robinhood application on your device. Once you launch the Robinhood app, tap the login button and log in. The first reason it could be failing is due to insufficient funds, so make sure that your bank account or linked bank account has enough money for the transfer. If you're using instant deposits, you can unlink and relink your bank account using Plaid, not manual entry, for better reliability. Double check that you entered your bank's routing and account numbers correctly, and avoid savings accounts with strict monthly transaction limits. And for one-time errors or duplicate accounts, you may need to contact or need to start a new transfer or contact Robinhood support. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.